Hello, welcome again. We are covering geography of class 9 from Contemporary India book of NCRT for CBS and Civil Services exam. Next chapter, which is your fourth chapter, is climate in the book, and the introductory part point wise is first point is climate refers to the sum total of weather conditions and variation over a large area for a long period of time, more than 30 years. So climate is the condition, weather condition more than over a 30 years. Then it is the definition of climate. Next, weather. Weather refers to the state of the atmosphere over an area at any point of time. Next point is the elements of weather and climate are same are the same, that is temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity and precipitation. Next point, you may have observed that the weather conditions fluctuate very often even within a day, but there is some common pattern over a few weeks or months, that is days are cool or hot, windy or calm, cloudy or bright, and wet or dry. Next point is on the basis of the generalized monthly atmosphere conditions, the year is divided into seasons such as winter, summer, or rainy seasons. Next point is the world is divided into a number of climatic regions. The climate of India is described as the monsoon type. This type of climate is found mainly in the South and Southeast Asia. Next point, the word monsoon is derived from Arabic word mosam, which literally means season. Monsoon refers to the seasonal reversal in the wind direction during a year. Next point, despite an overall unity in general pattern, there are perceptible regional variations in climatic conditions within the country. Let us take two important elements, temperature and precipitation. So first of all, temperature. In summer, mercury occasionally touches 50 degrees Celsius in some parts of Rajasthan desert, whereas it may be around 20 degrees Celsius in Pelgam in Jammu and Kashmir in summer. On a winter night, the temperature of grass in Jammu and Kashmir may be as low as minus 45 degrees Celsius. Trivandrum, on the other hand, may have a temperature of 20 degrees Celsius. Next point, in certain places there is a wide difference between day and night temperature. In the Thar desert, the day temperature may rise to 50 degrees Celsius and drop down to near 15 degrees Celsius. 50 to 15 at day it is 50 degrees Celsius, and in night it is 15 degrees Celsius, the same night. On the other hand, there is hardly any difference in day and night temperature in the Andaman and Nicobar Islands or in Kerala near sea. Next point, let us look let us now look at precipitations. There are variations not only in the form of types of precipitation but also in its amount and seasonal distribution. While precipitation is mostly in the form of snowfall in the upper parts of Himalayas, it rains over the rest of the country. So in Himalaya, the snowfall is the form of precipitation, and rest of country, rain is the form of precipitation. Next point, the annual precipitation varies from over 200 centimeters in Meghalaya to less than 10 centimeters in Ladakh and western Rajasthan. So in Meghalaya it is very high, and in Ladakh and western Rajasthan it is very low precipitation. Next point, most parts of the country receive rainfall from June to September, but some parts like Tamil Nadu coast get most of its rain during October and November. Next point, in general, coastal areas experience less contrast in temperature condition. Seasonal contrasts are more in the interior of the country. There is decrease in rainfall generally from east to west in the northern plains from Bihar to Rajasthan. There is decrease in rainfall. These variations have given rise to variety of lives of people in terms of food they eat, the clothes they wear, and also the kind of houses they live in. According to season, the houses the Rajasthan have thick walls and flat roofs, and in dry regions and in Goa and Mangalore have sloping roofs. In Assam, they are built on cliffs. So this is your introduction for climate, the chapter 4 of NCRT.